Today on my channel, we are diving into a 3D nail art project without the need for extra products. Start by applying 2 layers of gel polish. Cure each for the specified times. Apply cat eye gel polish or any glitter gel polish if you have it. Take a stiff nail art brush to shape your design. When using the nail art brush to shape your design and remove excess polish, ensure the bristles are firm and precise. Gently glide the brush along the edges of your design. Delicately refine the lines and contours. This step is crucial for achieving a clean and polished look. Now, for the exciting part, the 3D effect using builder gel. Begin by applying a thick layer at the starting point of your design. As you move downwards, smoothly transition to a thinner layer. This technique adds depth and dimension to your nail art. Get creative, follow along with the video and enjoy the artistic process. Don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoy the creativity unfolding. Share this video with fellow nail artists and make sure to subscribe my channel for more engaging content.